Let's talk about digital inputs for the XAE. It has three inputs that can be wired by the user. They come from the factory pre-jumpered, so there are three jumpers in place. I currently have the run input wired on this unit. So the inputs are run indication. So if I want a call to run signal, I apply a dry contact here across these two terminals. If I want to indicate alarm conditions, so if I have an external device that is going to pass an alarm through to the relay output, then I would use the second two position, and then the third position is interlock, and the interlock function is kind of like the run. The big difference with the interlock is it cuts everything else out, including the relay output, so it completely disables the outputs and activity of the controller. The interlock also resets the main processor board whenever it's activated. So when the interlock is restored by closing the input, then the entire board reboots. This can be helpful if you're doing remote troubleshooting or want to ensure that the system is periodically rebooted, then using the interlock will cause that to happen. Another point on the digital inputs, the inputs include indicator lights, so the LEDs here, three LEDs associated with the three inputs. So if you're troubleshooting, trying to understand if they're all truly active, as mine are, they're all currently closed, then the three LEDs are on. If they're open, then the associated LEDs go off.